Hey there! We at TIV have created this short video summarizing what you learned in our business communication seminar. Remember these key points when you communicate with your internal, external, and direct clients. It's the backbone of any successful organization, and getting it right can set you apart from the crowd. So, let's get started. First and foremost, clarity is key. When you're communicating, whether it's an email, a meeting, or a presentation, make sure your message is clear and to the point. Avoid jargon that could confuse your audience. Use simple and direct language to convey your ideas effectively. Next up, active listening. It's not just about talking, it's about listening too. Pay attention to what others are saying and show that you're engaged by nodding or giving verbal acknowledgments like "I see" or "interesting." This builds rapport and ensures that the conversation is a two-way street. Another critical tip is to be aware of nonverbal cues. Your body language, eye contact, and even your tone of voice play a significant role in how your message is received. Make sure your nonverbal signals align with your words to avoid any mixed messages. Don't underestimate the power of feedback. Constructive feedback helps improve performance and fosters a culture of open communication. Be honest, but tactful, and always offer solutions or suggestions for improvement. Remember, the goal is to build and not to tear down. And lastly, know your audience. Tailor your communication style to fit the needs and preferences of your audience. Whether you're talking to a team member, a client, or a stakeholder, understanding their perspective can help you communicate more effectively. So there you have it, some essential tips to up your business communication game. Implement these strategies, and you'll see a significant improvement in your interactions and overall business success. In behalf of TIV Management and Consultancy Services, thank you for enabling us to be of service. Until next time, keep communicating effectively.